Hi there. Hey, I'm Barbara with Guaranty RV. I'm out here at Junction City. Today I'm going to show you this nice Catalina. Wow, these are great built. This is a great build for an RV. It's a 293 QBCK, but all those acronyms mean nothing. You've got your tanks underneath this cover here. You've got an electric tongue jack. You can see that you've got this rock guard right here. Nice features as far as aerodynamics. 3 steps up the door. Come on in and take a look. Let's go back here. This is kind of a handy little dandy spot. A lot of times people come in and they're looking for a bunkhouse for the kids, and they've got younger kids that want to play and tossle around and whatnot. And most of all, you know, you need to get them settled down. So this is a beautiful bunk room that's in the back. Yeah, as you can see, there's a window in every single corner. These fold down onto the floor so they can romp around on the floor, and you've got a spot for a TV as well. This is the garment closets. Here's our bathroom, and it kind of speaks for itself. You've got a great U-shaped dinette here, a lovely couch, and a large kitchen. One of the things that I notice when I work in these rigs is it's nice to see that they've included shelving in these cabinets, because a lot of times they're vacant. You've got a foil wrapped countertop here, an oven, a range top, microwave, full-size refrigerator, the same size refrigerator that you would find in a motorhome. Lots of storage down here, a set of drawers, and a private bedroom for mom and dad. Let's take a look at that. I don't have this really well lit today, but it's a full-size queen. They're very comfortable. It's not something that you're going to have to change out. That just feels like a memory foam mattress. And there's a few features outside as well, so let's take a peek at that. I want to share with you that I do these videos quite a bit, and they're great. They'll tell you a lot. They'll show you a few different things, but the real, you know, the rubber meets the road when you get out here and take a look at it for yourself. It's important that you do that. You got dual axles. I like the idea that they're using an aluminum fender in case you hit something, it doesn't tear everything to pieces. It's got a black flush tank. And these outside showers have become very popular, or outside kitchens have become very popular. It gives you a basin, it gives you a grill, and a small beverage refrigerator to go along with it. This is a Catalina 293, so if you've got a nice family and you want to go out there and do some camping, this is a pretty good rig for you to choose. My name is Barb. I work for Guaranty. My telephone number is 541-521-4232. Please give me a call, ask me some questions, and come on out and take a look.